अल्लाह से करे दूर तो तालीम भी फितना, अल्लाह से करे दूर तो तालीम भी फितना, इलाक भी औलाद भी जागीर भी फितना। ना हक के लिए उठे शमशीर, ना हक के लिए उठे शमशीर तो शमशीर भी फितना, शमशीर क्या नारे तकबीर भी फितना। In the name of God, who the most merciful and most beneficent, and who loves us more than 70 mothers. First of all, I want to greet your respectable community leader, esteemed director, and my all charming Habibians. I want to greet you with these words: Assalamu alaikum. As today we are gathered here, and I am standing in this rostrum in front of you guys to having a great topic. Topic is about East and West education is best. My dear, before moving further, I want to tell you one of the surah of the Holy Quran, which Allah Almighty itself said it. The education is obligatory upon all Muslim male and female. You know better than me that what's education and what is the benefit of education. How much cherish and value to education is modern era. Remember this thing, Jet, my dear fellows. Wherever you will go, if you have no knowledge, people definitely will call you uneducated. Illiterate, he don't know about any knowledge. If you have knowledge, if you are educated, whomsoever you will meet, they will respect you. They will talk to you in good behavior. Now, what is the status of education? When America attacked on Japan, so Japan became destroyed and damaged by the forever. There were no any chance that Japan will get progress through thick to thin. But Japan went to the other country and said, I need the teacher, I need support of teacher. Everybody used to say that Japan become mental. Now there's no way that Japan will get progress. But what happened after some year Japan was getting progress? Everybody become shocked. What's the reason? What is mission that Japan is getting progress? The reason was that Japan got the benefit from education. Today Japan, Tokyo, is most population city in all over the world. My dear Habibi, remember this thing that if today you are a family member, they are giving you such kind of great environment of education, it means that you shall learn all the behavior, all the respect, and all the benefit of your future. If you will today hard work, tomorrow you will know the cherish of education. Education will make you from thick to thin. Education make you leader. If you are slave, who were the Nelson Mandela? That was the leader of African people. He have some kind of education. He got the freedom. He got freedom from British, and to the African black skinned people. They are the most freedom people. And they know now they have the more facility. Because of what? Because of education. The education, someone rightly said it, the education is such weapon which people can use to change the world. The world can be changed. Today many people they are exploring on the Mars. By which help of education they are exploring in Mars. The people can live after the 15th year. After 15 years sun will come down and it will be disabled and people can live in the planet Earth. They will be shifted in the Mars. Because of what they are exploring, because of education, today the world is going on very rapidly and very progress way. My dear, first, before update our Pakistan was considered that the LDC, means least developed country. But today, last night, the Pakistan launched its mission on the moon. Because of what? The reason is that, the answer is that because of education. If today our country, our world, our planet Earth, it's all the people are getting progress because of education. Remember this thing, if you will get education, people will stand like a berry. They want to stop you, they do not want that you will be past this passion and you will go from out of this thing. They never want. Because there is no one who will be well-wisher of you. Just you are and you are well-wisher. As like Sadia Jafar said. She said, if you want to make yourself better, if you want to be successful person, there is one person who can make you successful person is you. Just you can make your success. Just you can get your success and ikma. My dear, such much we are lucky because we know all about. How many percent are getting education in Pakistan? Just according to my view, there are 5 or 3 maximum and approximately percent are getting education. Some of them which are uneducated, they are laborer, they are working on hotels, they are working on donkey men. And we are lucky people because we are getting education. We know cherish our education. Don't think that I am the getting education, people laugh at me. It's our tradition. Since the creature, it's tradition that people used to say that you are getting education, will you able to get the job? The education doesn't mean to get the job. Education means there to make the different, something different in the people's life. Don't think that I will be successful person and I will earn the money. No, never, never. If you are going to be successful person, think how much difference I will bring the people's life. If then you have to bring some difference in the people's life, it means that you are successful. Success isn't about the money. My second point. Now, why our Holy Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him said, I am the city of the knowledge. Why Allah Almighty said the education obligatory upon all Muslim male and female? Because in Afghanistan, there is the ban on the women. Women cannot get education. Because of why? Because of that, they used to say we are Islam, we are Muslimin, and according to Islam, their women should not go outside. Islam itself said that the education, getting education, male and female is obligatory. Then what kind of Islam? Then why you are following? Then why you are blaming on the Islam? At last but not least, I must sum up my speech to dedicate this line, this topic. Whomsoever want to stop you, that's clear, no doubt. They are big your enemy also and your country enemy too. So I would like to say, my dear, कलम थी हाथ में लिखना सिखाया आपने, कलम थी हाथ में लिखना सिखाया आपने, मंजिल थी सामने रास्ता दिखाया आपने। हम तो पुतले की तरह बस में थे, हम तो पुतले की तरह बस में थे, तब जा देखकर इंसान बनाया आपने, तब जा देखकर इंसान बनाया। थैंक यू।